Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? You're definitely not alone. Millions of Americans earn a decent income every month, yet they still struggle to build wealth. And here's the thing, it's usually not because they don't make enough money. More often than not, it's because of a few everyday habits that slowly drain their finances without them even realizing it. The good news? Most of these habits are completely fixable. So in this video, we're going to break down 7 money habits that keep people stuck financially, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. This is one of the biggest financial traps in America today. A lot of people get paid, cover their bills, spend what's left, and then wait for the next paycheck to arrive. The problem is that even a small emergency can create a major financial setback. A car repair, a medical bill, or an unexpected expense can quickly turn into debt. That's why building even a small emergency fund can make a huge difference. You don't need to start with thousands of dollars. Even setting aside a small amount every week can help create financial breathing room over time. Number 2, not following a budget. Now, I know the word budget doesn't sound exciting, but a budget isn't about restricting your life. It's about giving your money a job. Without a budget, it's easy to spend money on things that don't really matter while neglecting the things that do. A simple monthly plan can help you stay in control and make smarter financial decisions. Number 3, carrying high-interest credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful financial tools when used responsibly, but when balances start growing and interest charges pile up, they become incredibly expensive. Many Americans end up paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest every year. That's money that could have been invested, saved, or used to improve their financial future. If you're carrying high-interest debt, paying it down should be one of your top priorities. Number 4, spending money to impress other people. This happens more often than most people realize. People buy expensive cars, luxury brands, and the latest gadgets because they want to appear successful. But real wealth isn't about looking rich. Real wealth is about having options, freedom, and financial security. In fact, many financially successful people live far below their means. They focus on building assets instead of chasing appearances. Number 5, waiting too long to invest. One of the most expensive mistakes people make is believing they have plenty of time to start investing later. The truth is that time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. The earlier you start, the more compound growth can work in your favor. Even small investments made consistently can grow into significant amounts over the long term. You don't need to be wealthy to start investing. You just need to start. Number 6, relying on only one source of income. For many people, a single paycheck supports their entire lifestyle. But if that income disappears unexpectedly, financial stress can arrive very quickly. That's why more and more Americans are creating additional income streams. It could be freelancing, consulting, online work, a side hustle, or even investing. Multiple income sources provide flexibility and financial protection. Number 7, never learning about money. This may be the most important habit on the entire list. Most people spend years studying different subjects in school, yet very few are taught how money actually works. Learning about budgeting, investing, credit, taxes, and financial planning can completely change your future. The more financially educated you become, the better decisions you'll make with your money, and those decisions add up over time. Here's the bottom line. Building wealth isn't about being lucky. It's not about earning a 6-figure salary overnight, and it's definitely not about finding some secret shortcut. It's about avoiding bad financial habits and consistently making smarter decisions. Small improvements repeated over months and years can create life-changing results. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits do you think hurts people the most? Leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.